Guys, this is Mohammad Saad, and in my last tutorial I told you about how to add the data in our database by using the Codeigniter APIs. And now in this tutorial I will tell you about how to update the data and delete the record from database by using the APIs. So let's go to our controller. It's already open here with name REST API. Here I will add the UI function with name public function update user. Then find our request type. For now I am using the post request type. What we want to update, let's suppose we want to update the city of the user with this ID. Okay, city of the user with this ID. So first we will take user ID. We'll go to our API model and here we will for update of the here we will pass we will add a parameter with ID and university. You can update whatever record you want. We will create an array like we have done it. We done last week with add function in this array we will define the column name as we are only updating the city for now, so just adding city name. If you want to update the ID you can also user name, so you can also by anything like this user you can this will be where I will define the column and value. Here is update our table name, table underscore user, and then this data. Okay, we will now add this function to our controller. So here this we will pass user ID and then user city. Now let's check it. Let's suppose we want to update the city this of user ID 4. So we will go to our postman and here we will first change our function name update user, and then here we will add user ID. I think we have defined like okay, user ID and user city. User city and user ID is 4. Okay. For now it's not giving any response as I have not printing anything. Now we will check it over here. 4 name this and city is test city. Now check is it updated. Yes, it's updated successfully, so it just changed from test city to Karachi, so that means this is working perfectly. Okay, if we want also to change the name of this, so just enter the column name user name here just little modification in our function. Okay, id, username, user city. Okay, name here, this is the column name that we define in database. This is the same the column name, and these variable contains the value that we are passing from our controller. So for name we will edit here username. These are the variable names. Okay, these are the variable names. These are the key names that we are passing from our postman, and now we pass these three values to our this function that we defined in our model. First value is user id, then username and city. Let's check it other user id, username and city. Okay, so okay, now go to our API and check it here. User name, username can be no, any name, Ali. Okay, check, check. So our name is also updated, so that means if we are working successfully. Now we have to check the response. Now basically it's not printing anything, so we will return the response from here. So to return the response from here, we will just write this db affected rows. Okay, we will return this function, and now in here we will check if check update is greater than 0, then means updated, else not. So we will echo here our not updated, and here it should show updated. Okay, let's check. Okay, let me change this value to, okay, test. Basically we have to change the name if we wanted to update data. Basically if we put the same data, then it will return the affected rows with 0. For example, let's check our current what's in data, what's the value of data inside this. Okay, so here it's Alina. So when I add Ali here, the username, so it shows not updated, but when I change it to Khan, so it's updated the database because the rows has been affected successfully. So now in this tutorial you have seen it, the how to update the data. Now we will also remove the data by using the id. Just copy it from here. We will go to our SAP function and then public function remove data, our id. Okay, here we will find this db where our column name, because we are deleting data with id. So and here we will put this remove this db delete. We will add our table name. Table name is tbl underscore user. Again we can use with affected rows. Here we will add the function, just copy it, is deleted updated with is deleted. Copy the function name, remove data, or you remove user, whatever you want to name it. It's not good. Okay, now we will go to our postman and check. Function name is delete data. I think we have done a mistake. Delete data. Okay, so the record has been deleted. Let's check it also here. Okay, so as you see, the record is deleted successfully. What if we are trying to delete the record that is not exist, so it's showing not deleted? It's upon you which type of message you want to print here. So guys, thanks for watching my tutorial. That's all for today. Please do keep subscribing my channel. It helps me a lot. So thank you guys. Take care.